Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful all-in-one solution for all your cleaning needs. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle both wet and dry messes with ease, then you'll definitely want to stick around to the end of this one. First, let's take a quick look at the box. Tineco has done a great job with the packaging. Right on the front here, we have a sleek image of the vacuum itself, along with some key features highlighted. Its cordless, offers intelligent cleaning, and even has a self-cleaning system. Sounds pretty promising. Alright, let's get this box open. As always, be careful when cutting the tape to avoid any damage. So I'm going to go ahead and use a pair of scissors to open this. You can use a box cutter or anything sharp. Alright, what I've done here, I've taken off the clear packaging. I've opened up the box, and now this is what it looks like when you reach inside. As you can see, inside everything is neatly organised and well protected with these inserts, these cardboard inserts. Tineco has a reputation for ensuring their products always arrive in perfect condition, and this one isn't an exception. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just remove these cardboard inserts. And now here is the vacuum itself. So as you can see here, we've got a handle here. So I'll put this to the side, and now we've got the machine itself. I'll just lift out here, like so. It's all protected in plastic. And what else we got in this box? Alright, we got a brush. Just chuck that over there. Remove these inserts. Got a roller in there. I got charger. Now we got some instructions as well. And this bad boy, this is the charging dock. When you're not using it, you put it back on the charging dock and it'll recharge it up and clean it for you. Going back to the Tineco Floor 167 Pro itself, it's got an actual nice weight to it. It feels really sturdy, and the design is super modern and clean. You can tell this is a premium product. What I'll do, I'll just take it out the packaging and give you a closer look. Alright, I've just put the handle on. It just slides pretty much straight into the hole there. This handle is ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Alright, so what I'm going to do is fire this bad boy up. So there's, at the top of this handle, I'm going to press the start button.
Auto mode.
As you can see, the digital display on the top is where you'll see all the real-time information while you clean. And if we go look at the brush, this is a spare one you get with this one. I'm just going to pull this out of the packaging. This roller brush is designed to tackle both wet and dry messes seamlessly. So you get a spare one when you buy one. Now just having a overall look on this Tineco, it looks very sleek and quite professional. It's one of the standouts I've noticed straight away once I've put this together. And looking closer on this unit, they got a lot of plastic film that you need to take off before use as well. You can leave it on, but I prefer to take it off. So you simply just take it off like so, go around the unit and find all the little plastic bits. And setting up is just a breeze. Just place the vacuum on the dock, which I'll just demonstrate here. This dock has already been connected.
Charging. Checking cleanliness. Please clean the dirty water tank to prevent odors.
So I'll give you a rundown what you need to do once you put it back on the charging dock, which is quite cool. So the dock doubles as a charging station as well. So your vacuum is always ready when you need it. So when you're not using it, just leave it on the dock.